how to transfer money to bank account from Revolut. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open Revolut on your mobile device. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna use some screenshots because Revolut doesn't let me screen record this. So please make sure to watch until the end so you can understand how to do this. So you're gonna have to simply open Revolut and then simply tap on payments at the bottom. Then you're gonna see something similar to this. So you're gonna have a list with all your friends from Revolut or your contacts. So you're gonna have to simply tap on this plus button, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply select bank recipient if you want to transfer to a bank account. So once you tap on the bank recipient, you're gonna have to simply choose if it's an individual or a business. So I'm gonna have to go with individual because I want to send to myself the money. So you're gonna have to choose your country and region, then the currency of your account, and simply enter the IBAN and your first and last name. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go back to the payment section, and then you're gonna have to tap on the contact that you just added. So it's gonna look something similar to this. So you're gonna have your first name and last name and your IBAN. So this is my bank account. So you're gonna have to simply tap on send, and then you're gonna have to simply choose how much you want to send, and then simply tap on continue and confirm the transaction, and basically that's it. Now if you want to send to someone else, you're gonna have to do the same process. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.